Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up? I just made this channel, and hope you guys are having a good day. Today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I haven't played this game in a long time, so I don't know. Let's see how good I am, not how good I am, how bad I am. And you can see the score, like 7,544. That's because I played a few matches before this, so. Let's see how bad I am. Also, I don't know, what videos I'll post. I'll do live streams on PS4, and I'll, play these phone apps. If you guys want me to play something, comment it down in the comments, and I'll play it, so. If it doesn't cost money, and if it does, if it's like $1 or $2, I might be able to. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'm gonna be posting, not a lot, but I'll be posting a bit. I'll probably mostly do broadcasts, but I don't know. Subscribe to my Twitch. Well, you don't have to, but just recommending, so you get a notification. Subscribe to my Twitch, KILO_extra. That's my Twitch, and I was gonna change it, but I have Twitch Prime and everything on that, so, and I could change, but don't feel like it. So I'm not too bad. Also, I'm gonna link someone in the description of this video that's a good Subway Surfer player, and he's a good friend of mine, so. And he's like 313 subs or something, 312, 313, around there. And he makes a bunch of Subway Surfers, Clash Royale, and I think it's Clash Royale, and videos like that, and they're really fun to watch and stuff. So definitely go check him out. I'll put I might not be able to put a link, but I'll put his name, and I'll say it right now. It's Animation Ninja Plays. So Animation space Ninja space Plays. But instead of an S for plays, it's a Z. So you should go watch his videos too. This game is pretty fun, so I'll most likely post a good bit of videos on it. Finally realizing that I'm not complete garbage. When I used to play, I feel like getting points was way easier. I don't know why I think that, but I thought I was dead there. So I think I'm thinking of posting, whatever the day is today. Oh god. No, I used a hoverboard, but it didn't work. Whatever, I'll use a key. Well, it's not that it didn't work, just I guess I didn't tap fast enough or something. So now I'm not talking a whole lot. I'm just gonna play this match. Like, it's kind of just like an information video, is what this one is. Like, oh god. If I had a computer on me, I broke my computer, so I didn't break it, it just stopped working. And I would put a link, but I'll try to get it to work so I can put my friend's link in the description. So yeah, comment down below if you like Subway Surfers, or like I'm thinking of doing shoutouts at 50 subscribers maybe. Yeah, when I start hitting like 50 to 100, I'll start doing shoutouts. That's if I do get 50 or 100. I'm dead. Alright, well, it was a good video. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We don't have to do any of those. I'm just suggesting, and turn post notifications on so you get a notification every single time I upload. Peace out.